Is this running treadmill worth it? That's what I'm going to be talking to you about in today's video. First thing I want to say that might point you to whether it's worth it or not. Over 1,000 people per month are buying this on Amazon right now. This is a hot seller at the moment, and it's got a lot of really good reviews, so people are loving it after they bought it. That's actually how we figured out we wanted to buy it. You almost never on Amazon get a treadmill that can actually go up to running speed. This goes up to 6.2 miles per hour at the number on the product page. That never happens. Typically, all you're able to get is an under-the-desk walking pad that maybe goes up to like 3.5 or 4 at the most. This goes up to 6.2. It's really amazing. You also have manual incline here. So you can actually go up to an 8% incline. All you do is just click that out, and you do that on both sides. I'll do it on the other side just so you can see it. But I actually love incline. And also with these, when you're getting like, you know, treadmills on Amazon, you really don't want an extra electronic thing or malfunction that can go wrong. So you want manual incline, because if you get one that's automatic, it's another thing that could like kind of break. You don't want that. If you look up here, this is really nice. Got the power on button, the pause button. You can also pick programs here. So there's all these different programs you can run through. These are preset, so you don't even have to set anything up. Just select them, click start, and you're ready to go, which is very cool. Once you're running, it'll show you time, distance, speed, as well as calorie burn. So this thing's absolutely amazing. We'll go ahead and just run it, and I'll show you that it does. I have an injury right now, so I can't run on it, but I'll show you that it does go up to 6.2. So at the end of the day, I mean, I actually legitimately, I can't talk about the number on the product page, but based on the number on the product page, literally, I can't believe this is a running treadmill that you're getting for that kind of number. That basically never happens. I don't even know how the company is actually making a profit, but people are loving this. I'm glad we got it. Is it worth it? What do you think?